Hello everyone. Today is September 11th, a day of reflection, remembrance, and appreciation for courage and community. Let's explore 3 thoughtful observances that inspire giving, gratitude, and connection. These moments make meaningful opportunities to gift someone even without a special reason. And if you missed out, don't worry, more heartfelt celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's Patriot Day and National Day of Service and Remembrance. A solemn tribute to the lives lost on 9/11s, and a call to unite through service. A meaningful gift could be volunteering in someone's honor, a donation to a first responders charity, or writing thank you notes to local heroes. How are you serving your community today? Share your story in the comments. Next, it's National Make Your Bed Day. A simple daily habit that sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. A thoughtful gift could be a cozy bedding set, an aromatherapy pillow spray, or a motivational morning routine guide. Do you make your bed each morning? Let us know how it impacts your mindset. Before our last event enjoying these meaningful celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Hot Cross Bun Day. A sweet and spiced tradition with roots in history and comfort. A great gift could be a batch of homemade buns, a baking kit with dried fruits and spices, or a recipe card with family flair. Ever bake these treats from scratch? Let's trade tips in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 11th to 15th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome!